Hello traders and welcome back to the Market Crux. Let's look out for some of the trade ideas for tomorrow, intraday trades. So I'll start with the Bank Nifty first of all. So today Bank Nifty was like in a range and overall intrinsically the structure looks bullish right now. So if you see it has given a pretty good breakout over here and closed above this trend line basically. So expect that the upside momentum will continue tomorrow. You can go for buying Bank Nifty futures or go for some call options if the Bank Nifty remains positive tomorrow, gap up kind of an opening. 35,200 is the range where you could look for a buying opportunity on futures with about 50 points stop loss. Keep 1:2 risk to reward ratio. If you find that there is a gap down opening, just wait for this trend line to break below 35,000 is the round figure on which we will be looking for. Breaking Bank Nifty spot below 35,000 will be a sign for going for a shorting opportunity. Once again, about 50 points stop loss and 1:2 risk to reward ratio on the downside. If this trend line gets broken, there is a good possibility that 34,860 odd level will be retested again tomorrow. But then intrinsically the structure looks bullish, so look for the buying opportunity if we get a good bullish momentum tomorrow morning. Then there are some stock ideas for tomorrow. So LKP Labs is one of the stock which I would be looking for. Very decent price action in past few days, and if you see on the daily chart, yesterday was pretty good bullish momentum with increasing volume. Today it actually created a doji over here on the daily chart, so I would be looking for a breakout either direction. My bias will be on the upside if it breaks above 34,000 3,748.50 odd levels, then you can go for a long in the LKP Labs. Your stop loss will be about 15 to 20 rupees over here, not more than that, and look for 1:2 risk to reward ratio on the long side. High probability trade on the long side. If it breaks down, then there is a good possibility of it actually gets this particular gap gets filled over here, this one, and stock might retest its 3665 odd levels basically. Less conviction towards downside. Stock is pretty bullish in the past, so structure wise look for a long opportunity on LKP Labs. Then I highlighted Rain Industries today morning as well on the channel. Very strong bullish stock to trade on. Today it completely consolidated. If you see over here the price action, it went into consolidation for the whole day, and decent volumes are there basically. So we'll look for a breakout on the upside tomorrow, and anywhere above 236 would be a buying opportunity. Keep a 2 rupees stop loss over here. 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Again, only look for a buying opportunity in the Rain Industries. For shorting, we got India Bull Housing Finance. So tomorrow, if it breaks today's low, which is 211.5, then go for a shorting opportunity. Stock is under pressure from quite some time over here. If you see in like a beautiful structure, it was kind of following this level over here of 212 odd levels on the closing basis from quite some time. So 211.5 would be a good entry for us over here. 2 rupees stop loss. Again, 1:2 risk to reward ratio on India Bull Housing Finance. The next stock which I would be looking for is IGL. If you see over here, it's forming a AM pattern over here on the daily chart. Very kind of bearish stock right now, under a lot of pressure. So if it breaks today's low, again would be a good shorting opportunity for all of us. Below 464.5, I would short the stock with 4 rupees stop loss and about 1:2 risk to reward ratio. I do expect that there will be some good price action. So if Nifty falls tomorrow, if the overall market remains bearish, IGL and India Bulls Housing Finance will be my top picks to short tomorrow. This much is for today's video. Thanks all for watching. If you like the content, please share and like the video and share and subscribe this channel. Thank you all.